Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this cutting board. This is a really neat cutting board because it is double-sided. Now, I've already washed it off because you can easily just wash this off in the sink. It's got two sides, like I said. You've got this one that has a nice groove all the way around it. So then if you're cutting things that maybe are juicy or anything, you can easily cut on there. The juice will be able to go across. And you have this little zester or grater area over here if you did need to grate anything. It will just grate right on there and pull anything off. The handle is really nice. That way you can grab it. It's got nice silicone all the way around it, so it's not going to slip around. And then on this back side, it's actually titanium. So you can cut all of your meats and everything on there, and it will cut it all up really nice. Keep it all together. This is a beautiful cutting board that you can use in your kitchen. Pull it out easily and then just wipe it right up. So just to show you how I was just cutting on there, you just clean it right up and there are absolutely no marks on here from cutting directly on it. That is a great cutting board. I love how durable it is. It'd be great for any kitchen.